Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm doing a quick nail video, and this one's all dedicated to the month of April. Now, the color I think of when I think of the month of April is yellow, so this particular set is going to be yellow. So I thought the perfect yellow to use is Perfect Yellow by Madam Glam. So before I even get into that, I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam Soak Off Base Coat. We're going to use Perfect Yellow. Then we're going to use the Madam Glam Soak Off No Wipe Top Coat. And then we're going to do a little bling, okay? So you want to go ahead, sit back, relax, watch the video, watch what I do, and pay attention. Pay attention because I have something special for y'all. Madam Glam is having a 2-day only April shopping event. And for this event, they actually provided me a 50% discount code for all of my supporters here. And the code is Olena50, okay? So the thing is with this code here, and again, it's only 2 days only, so today and tomorrow, that's it. April 15th and April 16th of the year 2024, okay? Depending on when you're watching this, okay? So the only thing with this special code here, in order to activate it, you want to use it for 3 or more items on the Madam Glam website. Again, 3 or more items is required to use this 50% off code. And if I were you, I would jump on this. I mean, you could just choose your favorite color. And then if you don't already have a base coat and a top coat, there you go. That's 3 items right there. So however you want to do it, if you want to go ahead and get a brush, if you want to get some sparkle, if you want to go ahead and get a neon color, however way you mix it up, as long as it's 3 items, you can go ahead and use my discount code Olena50. Make sure you go ahead and check in the description box that I have a direct link over to Madam Glam. Again, it's only 2 days. So if you don't want to use this code, pass this everywhere. Share this everywhere, okay? Because we know Madam Glam is about quality polish. We already know that they have a HEMA-free formula, 21-free formula, cruelty-free. They don't use palm oil. Hey, this is quality. You know you got to, if you really want those sales, you got to catch them when you can catch them. So this is 50% off. So anyway, let me stop talking about that for a minute. I'm going to put a few reminders because I don't want you guys to miss out. Some of y'all be watching these videos a little bit too late and you miss out on something because you catch it 2 days later. 2 days, you might be 2 days too late. So remember, April 15th and 16th, 50% off using my special code for 2 days only, Olena50. All right, I'll see you at the end. Make sure you stay towards the end because we're using some yellow. Well, we're going to use a little bling too, okay? And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone. Leave me a comment if you would like.
course you can come by. I don't know why, but you're sunshine. Oh, you're alright. Oh, you're alright. I'm gonna shut my mouth when you say what's on your mind. I can see the pain in your eyes. First I'm left, then I'm right. Don't know how to keep my calm. Baby, don't you tell your lies. Let me say thank you for all this time, babe. I've been loving every time I could call you mine. I don't know why I'm being the one feeling stupid. I'm feeling stupid now. No. So now it's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies while the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. It's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies while the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. Oh, you're alive. I'm gonna shut my mouth when you say what's on your mind. I can see the pain in your eyes. First I'm left, then I'm right. Don't know how to keep my calm. Baby, don't you tell your lies. It's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies while the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. Oh, you're alive.
Okay, roses, you want to know why I chose the color yellow and why April means the color yellow to me? It's because that's when the flowers start blooming. You see those pansies and marigolds, okay? And you see, what's that other flower? Tulips. I just think of yellow flowers. There's another one. Is it called buttercups? It's something. But I think of yellow flowers, and so that is why I picked the color yellow for the color April. And look at this. And we have to have some bling. We have to have some bling, okay? Because I heard the April birthstone is diamond or cubic zirconia, so I mixed it all together. Isn't it beautiful? Anyway, I appreciate y'all watching. Again, check out the description box. I do not want you guys to miss out on this 2-day only special shopping event at Madam Glam. using my discount code that's only valid for 2 days, Olena50, okay? Click that link directly in the description box. It will take you straight over to Madam Glam. Get your 3 items, use that code, and there you go. And make sure you share this with someone, okay? So anyway, it was fun sharing this with you guys, and I thank Madam Glam for including me in this special event here. Now, again, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.